Crab cake, wasabi mustard, fish chives, crispy morels, and a little squeeze of lemon. Oh yeah. To morel mushroom slurry or not to slurry? That is the question. Howdy shroomers, spore walkers, and mushroom loving folk. Today I'm going to teach you what to do with your old morel scraps. Like when you pick morels and they're stinky and old, okay? Get yourself a gallon of distilled water, half cup of flour, a couple tablespoons of molasses, and a good hefty 3-4 shakes of salt, okay? Toss your morel scraps on into that stuff. And the paper towel's got a lot of spores, so I keep that and I bury that. That'll be good for that. Now, your scraps, your water. Get it going. Look at that. Fill it up. As much will go in your big bowl. Ooh, like that. Now stirring it, mixing it. There's what I use to water my apple tree. I've got a little ephemeral spring flower area that I water under my lilac bushes, and that's what I use. I'll pour about half of this out, add the rest of the water, and do some more watering. My apple tree looks thirsty. He's been watered. Now I'm going to add some more of the distilled water. Yeah. Fill this up again real nice. Okay, this is thinner. I'm going to toss this under my lilac bush. Okay, we're back by the lilac bushes. This is my vegetable garden. And it's got some areas here to put my spores in. So, does the morel spore slurry work with any accuracy and reliability? No, I've been doing it for years and never got a mushroom. Do I keep doing it? Yeah. I'm hoping the conditions will be just right one time. Now, I put the spores out today and the morel pieces and whatnot. It's about 68 degrees. The next 3 days is going to be super cold and rain. And I'm hoping that will help the mycelium to grow. Yes, I know you can aerate it for days. Yes, you can make fancy different spore blocks, different things, you know, water. Do it your way. Try it my way. See if you have any luck. Apples are supposed to be good buddies with the morel, so I'm trying it on my apple tree and in my garden where it gets lots of love. Good luck with it. I think it's fiction, but I don't know. Now, if you go put that in some good morel habitat, maybe you got something there. Morel habitat, morel habitat.